Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Callie and this is my YouTube channel dedicated to all things nails and good vibes. If you need some quick and easy last minute nail art design ideas for Halloween, this video has got you covered. I'll be showing you 4 fun designs that you can recreate in no time. Plus, these designs don't need any tools to be created, so as long as you have a couple polishes, you're all set. So without any further ado, let's get your nails ready for a scary good holiday. Our first design is a really cute and simple Chevron French Tip, so you'll need 3 polishes in any Halloween colors of your choice. I went with this bright orange, this really pretty shimmery gunmetal brown, and this beautiful blue to purple shifting polish. So start off with 2 coats of your base color and then let that dry for a few minutes. So once dry, take one of your accent polishes and starting at the corner of your nail near your sidewall, drag the polish down to the tip of your nail, and you can kind of let that overlap a little bit with the second polish. So just let the first one dry and then go back in with your second color. You could also do this in one color if you want, but I wanted to go for 2, so this is super simple and really pretty. Next up is this really fun purple gradient. So I decided to go for purple just because I always say this, I really like purple polish for Halloween. So I had a lighter purple color and this white, and then I used that same shimmery blue to purple color. You can use whatever colors you like for this. I recommend doing 3, at least if you have shorter nails, it's a lot easier to sponge on. So you will also need a makeup sponge. So start off with 2 coats of the lightest color in your palette for this gradient. And once you have 2 coats of that applied, let it dry for a good few minutes. You want to make sure the polish is totally dry. Then swipe the polishes onto a makeup sponge, making sure the colors overlap, and you'll want to sponge this on your nail a couple times to make sure the colors are opaque, so just keep reapplying until you have the satisfied opacity. So gorgeous. Next we have this really trendy and textured dry brush design. So I'm actually using a polish that I talked about in a recent video, and then I'm using that same bright orange that I showed earlier in the video. Start off with 2 coats of whatever your base color is, and I think this looks really pretty if you can correlate the tones or the colors in your base color with the color you're going to dry brush on top. So I decided to use this really pretty shimmery polish that has a little bit of an orange tone to it, and then I took this brighter orange for the dry brush part. So first you'll want to wipe off most of the polish from your brush, so you can do this on a paper towel or a tissue, and then once you have most of the polish off, you can add it to the side of your nail. There's lots of different ways to do a dry brush design, but I thought it looked really cool just swiped to one side. This is so pretty, and like I said, really textured, so you can play around with colors with this one. You couldn't get more simple than this last design. We're doing an easy glitter gradient French tip, so you'll want to start with whatever base color you want and whatever glitter you want. I wanted to make sure these designs were really customizable to your costume or whatever nails you want to wear on Halloween. So I'm using this dark shimmery black color. It is so pretty, so I just did 2 coats of that, and once that was done, I took the glittery polish that I'm using, which is actually new from the Olive and June winter collection. I do have a referral link in the description box, so definitely check that out. But I took this really sparkly gold and I tried to apply it really dense on the tip of my nail, and then I just brought it up my nail a little bit. You can do as much glitter as you want. You could go back in with however many layers you'd like to add. This is so pretty and a very versatile look. So that is our last tutorial for today. So once you have all these designs completed, or your manicure if you're just using these as accent nails, you'll want to finish off with some top coat. I decided to add a satin top coat to 2 of these designs because I haven't had a satin top coat or a matte top coat in so long, and I finally had one, so I decided to add it over the gradient and the dry brush. I think any of these designs would look so pretty matte or satin or glossy. It's very up to you, and that's what I really enjoy when I'm coming up with nail designs like these for any kind of last minute video or a holiday themed video. It's really fun to come up with looks that can be really versatile, and you can apply them however you'd like. If you want to do a full manicure of one of these, you totally could, or just add one as an accent nail, or you could do all 4 and do a mix. That's also an option, and these are just so pretty, and I really actually like how they look together. I think it looks really cool. If you do end up recreating any of these designs, please share on Instagram and Twitter with hashtag TSNinspo. I will be totally happy to share your manicure or your nail design on my story so the rest of our awesome community can see. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found these 4 easy and last minute Halloween nail designs very helpful. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite and if you'll be wearing any for Halloween. I hope you all have a very safe and happy Halloween, and I will see you soon with another video, same nail time, same nail channel. Hope all rest of your day. Happy Halloween!